What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber Victoria. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell button so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Today, as you can tell by the title, this video is sponsored by ZEELOL. Contacted me and sent me some glasses, so we're gonna do a cute little unboxing. So some of you may or may not know I do wear glasses. I wear prescription glasses. I'm blind as a bat, y'all. I cannot see. 9 times out of 10 I'm wearing contacts, but occasionally I will wear my prescription glasses like at night or when I'm just like lounging around or going to run errands. But they're old and ugly. Like, I've really been wanting some fashionable prescription glasses, so I'm so glad that ZEELOL hit me up about this. So ready to actually open the box first time with you guys and see them for the first time with you guys. I do want to let you guys know before we get started that you can use my coupon code for an exclusive offer of 10% off your order of ZEELOL glasses. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. It came in this cute blue box, you guys, and has their website on it, ZEELOL.com. Says buy glasses at ZEELOL. Shipping was decent. It didn't take that long at all, and I believe there are 6 pairs of glasses. I'm so country. I believe there are 6 pairs of glasses in here, so that's a lot for this small box. I'm actually surprised. So I'm just gonna tear open this tab. So excited. Boom, baby. Got them all right here. 6 pairs of glasses in their own little duster bag. All of their glasses are blue light blocking, okay? Emphasis on the blue light blocking, okay? That's very important, especially if you're like me, you're a content creator or a nurse. I'm a nurse, and y'all know all we do is sit on the computer and chart. You know what I'm saying? We're always on our phones, or you're always like looking at some type of screen. You know, this is better for your eyes when it's blue light blocking. So this is awesome. Let's get right into it. We just gonna pick them by random and see what's going on. Oh, you guys, first pair out the gate. I'm gonna get up close in a second. So these are called Qatar with a Q, Q-A-T-A-R, and this is the blue black pair. They have several different color styles you can choose from, and these were $25.95. So let's get into it. Let me take this off. Who you know, I'm looking real classy, real bougie. Oh, I like these. Hey, okay. I love these. Okay, it's like disregard my ring light shining in the lenses, but I didn't wear lashes on purpose for this video because sometimes my lashes are so long that it'll be bumping the lens. So ooh, I like these. Let me know what y'all think. Be sure to comment below your favorite pair that I'm trying on today. These are so cute, and I'm kind of into the bigger frames. It just goes better with my face. If I have like a square or a rectangle frame, I think goes better with like the shape of my face. Randomly selecting number 2. Okay, we got cheetah print going on. Ooh. Ooh. These are the hair roll glasses. Right now they're actually on sale for $9.95. Let's try these on. These are circular, more circular shaped. So let's see. What's a given? What's a given, you guys? And then with like my outfit right now, it's giving teacher vibes. Both of them, for real. But yeah, this one is definitely like a statement piece because of the colors. You can easily style this though. Style this a few different ways, as well as the blue pair. This will go great with some jeans. what the green pair looks like. I like it, I really do. It's so different. Nobody else is gonna have these. Let's see what we have here in this next pair. Is also a brown shade, but it's two-tone. This one is I would say like rectangular shape. I'm glad that I have a variety going on here. Okay, so yeah, this pair is Grover and it's currently online for $7. That's it, just $7. What do you guys think about this one? It's two-tone. If you can't tell, it's two-tone. I like this shape. This is more so on the shape of my current glasses, so these are a vibe. All these glasses. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a mother freaking minute. Oh, this is different. Oh, I'm scared of this. Oh, these is cute, y'all. This is like giving cat eye, and then the details on, bruh. Hold up. Ah! Yeah. Oh, what's good? What's popping? Yeah. I think this is Ellen. Is this Ellen? Yep, these are Ellen. I'm feeling like Ellen. This color, this white, it's like giving very much classy, bougie. I would have to really get used to the shape, but I really don't think it's that bad. This is number 4. So this is pretty basic. I think I requested these because I wanted something plain to go with anything, and this is like a I don't know, a gray, like a gray color. Looks like these are the Kayla pair. Yeah, I think these are the Kayla pair. I will correct myself down below if I'm wrong. Drum roll, please. Last but certainly not least, these are called Andrea, but these are kind of similar to this pair. It's a different shape, a little bit darker, and it's not two-tone. These are two-tone, but they're still a different type of square than these. So I've got a little bit of everything here. I'm so excited. You guys, so that's all 6 pair that I tried on for y'all. I'm gonna end today's video sponsored by ZEELOL with this pair of glasses that I just absolutely love so much. I just want to say that these glasses are so fashionable, innovative, affordable, and like I said in the beginning of this video, they are all blue light blocking glasses. Sunglasses, glasses with or without a prescription. They are all super comfortable to wear. I can tell that these are high quality glasses. They seem really like resistant and sturdy, you know, if I were to like drop them, because that does happen a lot, but they're not heavy at all. They're very much lightweight. They're all super cute, can go with a lot of different outfits. You know, your girl likes to style up her things, so this will add like a really nice touch, you know, for casual days, business days. Be sure to check out ZEELOL. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys check them out. Use my coupon code. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment below which pair was your favorite on me, or just which pair was your favorite in general. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.